All right, guys. So what I'm fixing to do today is we're going to set up a volleyball net over here. Right now, it's my backyard. But what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put this in the ground, make it go all the way down. Then it'll also fit into this. You'll see it at the very end, but it's something that's real easy, little do-it-yourself project. I'm gonna show you. I'm using these PVC pipes first to go down into the ground. Kind of cut them, already presetted it, measured it. And what I used was hammer. I also used measuring tape and a little saw. All right, well, I'll follow back up with you and let you know how this work has been so far. Thanks, guys. First step we're gonna do is we already started it. We're gonna dig it all the way down. We're gonna take out dirt as we go. So I'll kind of fast forward it through it. Once it gets full, you almost gotta pull this dirt out. So this little clay that's coming out. Once it's empty, go back in. Keep on going until it goes all the way down. This is gonna be flush with the grass. So that way it's easy. If you need to take these pipes out or take out the volleyball net, it's easy to do that. I'll follow back up with you guys. Thanks. So we're almost there. It has to get flush with the ground. Once we get there, we're going to keep on hammering it down. But well, this side's almost done. All right, guys, it's flush now. Now all I gotta do is just put pipe in there, and that way it's flush and it won't wiggle and fall. Okay, so I have to go that far down. Word of advice, when you hit it like that, or get a little piece of wood and hit it like that. So that way you don't split and break that piece. All right, I'll make it to work. Okay, guys. That's the finished product. So let's take a look. As we come closer, have it going into the ground, and looks like I pulled it too much. It was kind of a, but I think the top is straight. Looks great. All right, guys, I'll post another project that I have, but thanks again. All right, guys, that's the finished product. I put some spikes down just so that way gives it a little bit more support on there as well. Kind of see, I put a spike down, put some ties on there. So tell me what you think on some of the on the comments below. All right. Till the next project. Thanks, guys.